Reports tool helps create project progress reports for better documentation. It has two options, instant report and scheduled report. With an instant report, users can instantly generate and share the report. To create a report, select two images. Click on Generate PDF Report to create a report with selected images. Click on the Mail PDF report to share the report with anyone. If you want to schedule a project report for weekly, bi-weekly or monthly progress check, go to Schedule Report, select Report Type. A weekly progress report shall be automatically created and mailed every Monday. Bi-weekly progress reports shall be sent on the 1st and 16th date of every month. Monthly progress report shall be sent on the 1st date of every month. Select cameras, enter email IDs, and schedule the report.